Good morning, students. Today we will start our new book, that is Companion. Now, students, before starting this book, I want to explain what is use of this book. Students, as its name, companion is the helper of studio. Because a few important exercise in this book help us to know the all chapters done clearly, interesting. So, student, our first chapter is Earth's reference point. Now, on first page, work in pair. Where I am? Work in pair and follow the instruction. Imagine your friend is in a ship that is sailing across the Bay of Bengal. Imagine your friend is in a ship that is sailing across the Bay of Bengal. Now, first, mark the location of the ship on the map when it is east of Andhra Pradesh. So, student, first of all, we all search where it is the Andhra Pradesh. So, student, Andhra Pradesh is here. So, what is the question? Mark the location of the ship on the map when it is east of Andhra Pradesh. East of Andhra Pradesh is, here is north and east is this. East. So student, compare the location. I am here. Compare the location you marked with that of your partner. Did both of you draw the ship in the same position? Yes or no? What is the question is mark the location of the ship on the map when it is the east of Andhra Pradesh. आंध्र प्रदेश के ईस्ट में है शिप. ओके, तो आंध्र प्रदेश के ईस्ट दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ. So compare the location you marked with that of your partner. Did both of you draw the ship in the same position? Yes or no? Our answer is no. Okay. Now then, move on next page. Second page. Yes, this is. Now, question here is mark on the map when it is at 14° north and 26° east. Okay, so student, 14° north. To find out where is the 14° north, here it is 14° north and 26 east. This is. So, question is, did you and your partner mark the location of the ship in the same position? Yes. Again question. Discuss and write the difference you found while marking the location of the ship in both cases. Discuss and write the difference. हमें डिफरेंस बताना है फर्स्ट केस में एंड सेकेंड केस में. जो लोकेशन था you found the while marking the location of the ship in both case. So student, our answer is in first case we have little confusion to identify the right location. Now in first case we have little confusion to identify the right location because we don't have any clues to identify. While in second case we have guideline to mark the right location. So we have identified the location very easily with our partner. Clear to all? What is the differences of them? Differences is this. In first case we have little confusion to identify the right location because we don't have any clues to identify, and in second case we have guideline to mark the right location, find the right location. So I and my friend easily find out the right location. Clear? Okay, student. Now move on. Next page. The third page. Complete the table using figure A as reference. Okay. Now zone extend Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. Now student, for this activity we have to open our book also, because it is help us to find out the right location. So student, Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn, latitude extend 23 1.2 degree north to 23 1.2 degree south. Clear? Tropic of Cancer 23 1.2 degree north and Tropic of Capricorn is 23 1.2 degree south. Heat zone, torrid zone and temperature is hot. Done? Now second, Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle. Tropic of Cancer 23 1 upon 2 north to Arctic Circle 66 1 upon 2 degree north. But Tropic of Cancer 23 1 upon 2 degree north and Arctic Circle 66 1 upon 2 degree north. Temperate zone and temperature is moderate. What do you write it here? Moderate. And 23 1 upon 2 degree north and 66 1 upon 2 degree north. Here moderate. Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. It is already done it here. Zone, heat zone. Which is heat zone is there? Temperate zone. Temperate zone, write it here. And climate is moderate climate. Okay. Arctic Circle in the North Pole. So heat zone, Arctic Circle to North Pole. So here zone is frigid zone and climate is cold climate. Here write it down student, frigid zone and cold climate. Okay. Now Antarctic Circle 66 1 upon 2 degrees south. Antarctic Circle 26 1 upon 2 degrees south to 0 degree south. Location बतानी. This is the latitude extend. Latitude extend कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? तो Antarctic Circle start from 66 1 upon 2 degree north and South Pole always on 0 degree north. Heat zone, frigid zone and temperature here is cold. So write it here, cold. Done? Okay. Now we are on page number 4. It is also very interesting students. Project time, work individually and pick 5 state capitals. हमें यहाँ पर 5 state capitals के name write करने हैं. Okay. Now second question, in the table provided, note down the latitudes and longitudes they are located at. Longitudes and latitudes बताने हैं. You may use figure B for reference. हम figure B का reference यहाँ पर use कर सकते हैं. कहाँ पे? Latitudes and longitudes find out करने के लिए. Okay. Now third, now work in team. Call out the latitudes and longitude reference of each city. यानी जो हम city choose करेंगे capital city, उसके हमें latitude and longitude write करना है. Done? Okay. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ध्यान से, वर्क इंडिविजुअली एंड पिक 5 स्टेट कैपिटल्स. स्टेट के कैपिटल्स हमें पिक आउट करने हैं. फटाफट पिक आउट 5 स्टेट्स कैपिटल. ओके. देन फोर्थ इज आस्क योर टीम मेंबर्स टू लोकेट द सिटी ऑन फिगर बी. फिफ्थ इज राइट द नेम ऑफ द टीम मेंबर हु आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट प्लेस द फास्टेस्ट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, कैपिटल आपने जो भी कैपिटल सर्च की उनके नेम्स यहाँ राइट कर देंगे. जैसे फर्स्ट सिटी कैपिटल स्टेट जो है मैंने राइट किया है गांधीनगर. गांधीनगर इज द कैपिटल ऑफ गुजरात. अब लैटिट्यूड्स में मैंने गांधीनगर का लैटिट्यूड लिया 23.2156 डिग्री नॉर्थ. What is the latitude ranges? 23.2156 degree north, and its longitude is 72.6369 degree east. Gandhinagar's latitude is 23.2156 north and 72.63690 degree east. Done it? Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Now, in second, Silvassa. Silvassa is the capital of Dadra Nagar Haveli. Its latitude is 20.2753 degree north and its longitude 73.0073 degree east. Okay. Now, third, Shimla. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh and its latitude 31.1048 degree north. What is the latitude of Shimla? 31.1048 degree north and longitude 77.1734 degree east. Now then, fourth, Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan and its latitude 26.9124 degree north and longitude is 75.7873 degree east. City, Goa. Goa's capital is Panaji and its latitude is 15.4909 degree north. What is the latitude of Panaji? 15.4909 degree north. Okay, and longitude is 73.8278 degree east. It is the longitude of Panaji, and Panaji is the capital of Goa. So student, do these activities nicely, perfectly, and enjoy with that. Thank you so much students to listening me.